All right. So if you were here, that's because you did baller on your quiz with exponents. All right. So first we need to review what the heck a reciprocal is because it's been a hot minute. So notice how 4/3, the 3 goes on top, the 4 goes on bottom. That's called the reciprocal. So the reciprocal of 4/3 is 3/4. So the reciprocal of 2/3, the 3 goes on top, the 2 goes on bottom, and boom. For this one, the 4 would go on top, the 1 would go on bottom. You could also just write that as 4, right? 4 divided by 1 is 4. For the next one, what number is on the bottom of the 6? A 1. So what would that reciprocal be? 1/6. What would the reciprocal of -5/3 be? 3/5. Hopefully you remembered the negative. All right. So basically, if an exponent is negative, we move it to its reciprocal and change it to a positive. So remember, the number is not negative or the letter is not a negative. The exponent has to be a negative. All right? So here, same thing like in the 6/1. We're going to put it over 1. All right? So the a to the -5, we're going to move the a to the -5 to the bottom, change it to a positive, and write a 1 on top. Does this have a negative exponent? Nope, Mrs. Sherman messed up. So it's going to stay where it is, and that is perfectly fine as well. That will happen. This one, is the 2 a negative? No. So it stays. Then we take our 5 to the -3rd. It's going to move to the top and become a positive. Okay? What do you think about this one? Let's take one step at a time. G to the -8. How would that be written? 1/G to the +8. Good. And then the H would also go on the bottom, and it becomes a +2.